Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. So I'm on the way to a job, and I just want to take this time just to talk to you guys and answer a few questions. First, I appreciate y'all checking out the channel. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you go to the link in the description. I'm doing a giveaway at 8,000 subscribers. Somebody's gonna get a pair of Hut boots, also a pressure washing gun, and the third place winner is gonna get a Pink Flamingo t-shirt. So you make sure y'all go and you know what I'm saying, register and enter the giveaway. So with that said, I got a few questions that I got asked, and I just want to answer them before I get to this job. First question was what kind of soft wash hose I use. So I use a 1/2 inch AG hose. It's pretty much like a PVC type hose, so SH doesn't, you know what I'm saying, deteriorate it or nothing like that. It handles chemicals really well. So the same hose I'm using now is the same hose I had when I started 3 years ago. So that hose has lasted me. I've never had no problems with it. Never had it punctured. It doesn't kink up or nothing like that. So it's pretty much my, you know what I'm saying, I guess my favorite hose. So I never had any other hose. I know there's other ones you can use like the Flexzilla and stuff like that, but this one I got right now, that's the same one I've been using since I started. My second question was what type of pressure washing gun do I use? So I use a Suttner gun. It's the model is 2605. It's like a relaxed action gun, so you know what I'm saying, your hands don't get tired from squeezing that trigger all day. You guys know that sometimes I use my ball valve to rinse the driveways and stuff like that, just because sometimes I don't like to squeeze triggers. But the Suttner gun, I do have a long one with it's the same gun, but I have a wand on it that's like 36 inches, and I have a short one. I think it's about a foot, short little one. Actually, I got one right here. You know what I'm saying, a little short one that, you know what I'm saying, I put on my short gun just so I can get, you know what I'm saying, stuff that's close to me or whatever like that. The next question I have is the water hose I use. So I use a 3/4 inch Flexzilla water hose, garden hose, whatever you want to call it. 3/4 probably is gonna be the biggest water hose you're gonna get, you know what I'm saying? So you get that good flow to your buffer tank or to your pressure washer. 5/8 works too. You can get 5/8 hose, but 3/4 is bigger. The bigger your supply hose, the better flow. You know what I'm saying? The faster your tank can fill up, or you know what I'm saying, you don't have to worry about, you know, losing that, just that little friction or whatever. What else I got here? Oh, this is a funny one. So I get asked a lot about my my weight on my surface cleaner. Why do I put it on there and how much it weighs? So the reason I put it on there is because I use an 8 GPM pressure washer, and I got a 19-inch surface cleaner. So without the weight on there, that thing would just lift off the ground. I have to fight to keep it down, and it's just so hard to surface clean like that. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna start hurting your wrists and stuff like that. So therefore, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to fight with it all day. So that's why I put the weight on there. With a 36-inch surface cleaner, you don't have to do that because it's heavy. It's a 24, you don't have to do that. Anything under that, you got to put a weight on there. I use a 5-pound ankle weight on there right now. You could use like a 5-pound Olympic weight. Either or works, but 5 is just enough. I wouldn't go too heavy, you know what I'm saying, putting 10 pounds on it. That's crazy. But 5 is the sweet spot, you know. It just works. You don't even notice it's on there. With that 8 GPM, you don't even notice it, man. So that's 3 questions I wanted to answer for you guys. All the products I just talked about: the gun, the pressure washing gun, the garden hose, as well as the soft wash hose, and many other things that I use are in the link of this video. I mean, on link in the description. They're linked in the description of this video, so you can go check them out. You know what I'm saying? You buy them if you need to and try them out. So you know what I'm saying, you guys make sure you enjoy the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the job. Let's go. All right, guys, we're at the job. We're gonna be doing the pool deck, pool screen, patio, and a driveway cleaning for a returning customer. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the back. This is the back area here. It's not too bad. I think I done it just about a year ago. This patio here needs to be done. Probably gonna have to turbo nozzle it, get rid of all these weeds. I know the water sits really bad over here, man. Really, really bad. Take you guys inside of here. And here's not that bad either, man. Just mostly the deck that has the algae. I don't really see no algae on the cage. Not as much. I mean, you got little stuff like this here that we gotta clean up. But as far as on the beams, man, it looks good still. You see right here's the low spot, so algae just builds up right here because of the moisture. I know back here it gets pretty dirty because the water sits right here. That's the job, guys. I'm also gonna be doing this little fire pit for them out there also. I'm gonna be downstreaming my SH, sodium hypochlorite, chlorine, whatever you want to call it. You don't have to worry about any plants on this one here. So we're gonna use the ball valves to downstream. Sometimes I don't feel like squeezing the trigger, man. I like the downstream with the ball valve, make it easy. And you know what I'm saying? Just relax. You know, sometimes you gotta use other things, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to use the gun every time. Soap already coming out. You got pretty dirty right there. Okay, we're gonna do the inside of the cage now. You see right here, got a lot of buildup, algae, all throughout right here. Downstream would take all of this away, man. Pretty bad, right? All right, let's get the inside soaked up. Okay, we're ready to rinse now. Everything that was here melted like butter. So we got the cage nice and clean now, rinsed up, all the algae is gone. Now it's time to tackle the pool deck, get that cleaned up. I can tell the major difference is from the SH, from the pre-treatment I put on it. Then I'll try to get some of this stuff off the cage just to make it a little bit better, but overall we're looking pretty good, man. So I had to stop and answer a question that I got asked before is how do I keep the pool so clean? So the key for me, what I do is I always start cleaning the pool from closest edge from the coping, and I tilt my surface cleaner just a little bit so I can kick all the debris out. Because what happens is if you start from this side and you clean over here, all the water that's on the left is going to get pushed right into the pool. When you clean this side first, you're pretty much cleaning a good, you know what I'm saying, 20 inches, because my surface cleaner was 19 inches. So you're going to clean pretty much from here all the way to here. So now when you come back and you do your second pass, the water that does get pushed over, it's not going to be enough to get in the pool. So if you start on this side over here and you clean towards the pool, all the water's going to be pushed into the pool. So as you guys can tell, the pool's nice and clean. That's how it's going to stay. And same thing when you rinse, you want to rinse away from the pool. All right, we're gonna be doing a driveway now. Sorry for the sun. You see it's pretty dirty. Up here where it's shaded, that's more than the bottom part, but you guys can see how bad it is. But yeah, you see the walkway is pretty dirty. We're gonna downstream this and then surface clean it. finish here. Everything came out great. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap. So got the sidewalks done. Did that top of that drain because it was pretty black. The driveway looking good. I did put a little porch treatment on there just to make it pop a little bit more. She has a lot of trees. Want to give it a little added protection. See how bright the sidewalks are. So we'll check out the back. I appreciate y'all rocking with me today, man. Like I said, make sure you go to the description. We almost had the 8K, man. We had like 79 and some change. This is the back area. This is the patio. You guys see the patio is nice and clean. Of course, you guys seen the pool cage and the pool deck is already cleaned up. All right, Miss Richards. Love returning customers. Yeah, man, everything's good. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all checking the video out. So I'll see y'all the next video. Peace.